Toyota has revealed the Maruti Saiz-based Belta for the Middle Eastern markets. Toyota Belta launch. The compact sedan is expected to be launched in India by April 2024. Toyota Belta price. It could be priced from Rs 10 lakh ex-showroom onwards. Toyota Belta engine and transmission. The sedan will be powered by the Saiz 1.5-liter petrol mild hybrid powertrain, 105 PS/138 Nm, coupled with a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed torque converter. Toyota Belta features. Its equipment list is expected to be similar to the Maruti sedan, including the 7-inch touchscreen system, auto climate control, push-button start/stop, and cruise control. Toyota Belta rivals. The Belta will lock horns with the Maruti Suzuki Saiz, Honda City, Skoda Slavia, Hyundai Verna, and Volkswagen Virtus. Pros. 1. Ride quality. 2. Safety features. 3. Ample cargo space. Cons. 1. Expensive to maintain. 2. Steering malfunction. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.